Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will discuss two materials. The first is about software and operating systems, and the second is about hardware. Before going into the material, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Abirafi. My name is 15240584. Major in informatics. First, the definition of software. What is the software? Software encompasses all the programs and instructions that a computer follows to perform tasks. This includes things like word processor, web browser, games, and even the operating system itself. And then, what is the operating system? Operating system, or OS, is a crucial piece of system software that manages the computer's hardware and software. It handles tasks like memory allocation, process scheduling, file management, and input or output operations. Conclusion of the understanding of software and operating system. In short, software is any set of instructions that tell a computer what to do, while an operating system is a specific type of software that manages the computer hardware and software resources. The OS acts as an interface between the user and the computer's hardware, enabling users to interact and utilize the computer effectively. And then there is a difference between software and operating system. In definition, software is a set of instructions that perform a task. And then operating system is the basic software that controls hardware and system. In main function, software is perform specific tasks, and operating system manage system resource and provide UI. And this is an example of software. In the first, there is a Microsoft Office like Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. And then the second, there is a Chrome like Google Chrome. And the last one is a Facebook like Facebook Marketplace. And also, this is an example of operating system. The first, there is Windows like Windows 10 and Windows 11. And the second, there is a Linux like Ubuntu and Linux Debian. And the last one, there is a Mac OS like Mac OS Classic and Modern right now. And the function of an operating system, the OS provides a user interface, allowing users to interact with the computer through graphical interface or command line interface. It also manages the allocation of resources to different programs, ensuring that they can run smoothly. And the importance of OS. Without an operating system, a computer would be unable to run any applications or interact with the user. The OS is the foundation upon which all other software runs. And we continue with the second material, namely hardware. And what is the hardware? Hardware refers to the physical, tangible components of a computer or other electronic device that you can touch and see, like the keyboard, mouse, or screen. It's the machinery or equipment that allow a computer to function. These include both internal, like the motherboard and RAM, and external components like the monitor and printer. Different with the software, hardware is all the physical components that make up a computer and can be touched directly. Different with software, software is programs that do not have a physical form. And there is a role of hardware. Hardware provides a place for software to run and perform specific tasks. Hardware allows the computer to accept input from the user and produce output that can be seen or heard. Without hardware, software cannot function because hardware provides the physical platform for programs to run. And then There is a types of hardware in input device. There is a keyboard is used to enter text data, and mouse is used to control the cursor and perform action on the screen. In processing device, there is a CPU or central processing unit is the brain of the computer that execute instruction. In RAM or random access memory is used to store data currently in use. And then in storage device, there is a hard drive for stores data permanently using magnetic platters, and SSD or solid state drive for stores data permanently using flash memory. In output device, there is a monitor for display visual information and speakers for produce sound. And then in network device, there is a modem for connects a computer to the internet, and NIC or network interface card allows a computer to connect to a network. And the last one in the peripheral device, there is a wireless keyboard and mouse and multifunction printer. And what are the implications of a hardware upgrade? Upgrading hardware components such as the CPU, memory, and storage drive can significantly improve a computer's performance. A faster processor allows for faster data processing, while more RAM allows for more efficient multitasking. And the conclusion, hardware is an important physical component in a computer system. Hardware provides a place for software to run, receive input from user, process data, and produce output that can be seen or heard. That's all the material I'm presenting today. Sorry if there are any wrong words, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.